Good morning, children. Today we will study how can we create more employment opportunities. We know from the above discussion previous class we have discussed what is underemployment or disguised employment, disguised unemployment, etc. So from this sector we can see that there are continues to be considerable unemployment in agriculture. Large number of people or laborers are waiting for the job opportunities in the agriculture sector. There are also people who are not employed at all. Many people who do not have any type of job also. In what ways can we increase employment for people? So here large number of people are still unemployed, no opportunities are there is no demand for job there also. So take case of in the case of Lakshmi, we know that we have 2 hectare plot of land, unirrigated land, that is there is no irrigation facilities, they are waiting for the rainfall. Okay, so they need to, government also can spend some money as providing loan to them very cheaply for that. But we know in case of Lakshmi we have studied, she is borrowing money from the money lender or traders with a higher rate of interest, so that whatever income she earns is going to the money lenders as paying interest. Okay, the high rate of interest, so that the whole income of her family is also exploited by the money lenders. Suppose the government are providing, government banks are providing cheap loans to Lakshmi, she can arrange irrigation facilities, she can dig a well for her farm, and also she can buy seeds or fertilizers, etc. These all she very cheaply she can arrange, so that her agriculture production will be increasing also. Okay, so more number of more number of family members can be taken out also. We have studied that large landowner Sukhram has hired 2 members from Lakshmi's family, and they are getting extra income for the family. Okay, so then here suppose Lakshmi and other farmers produce much more than before. When they are provided cheap loans, she can arrange irrigation facilities, also she can sell the products or agricultural outputs when the market rate increases. So all these facilities government has to provide, so that 3 members only will be working in the farm and 2 members go out and earn extra income also. Their lifestyle or their standard of living also will be increasing. So they would also be need to sell more of this, so that when they are producing more output from their own farm, they can also sell more to the market, in the market, and they can earn better living or livelihood. Okay, so they may be required to transport all these goods also. How employment opportunities can be increased? When Lakshmi is given cheap loans, her output or the produce in the agriculture field increases, so that she can sell it in the market. And here also Lakshmi has to transport these goods to the market. Now there we can find out the transportation also is needed for transporting the goods from any trucks or any other transportation facility is needed, so that they are also increasing the transportation. Okay, so providing opportunity to the transportation also. Therefore that the government has to provide better road facilities also, so that the trucks or other modern transportation comes to the villages to pick up the output, agricultural output for selling in the market, so that the job opportunities increasing for the traders, and also for the transportation facilities. Some people who are working as drivers also get some job opportunities. So like that, if government is arranging, establishing storage facilities, there also some people get opportunities, so that different, when even only to the even government provides a cheap loan to Lakshmi or other poor farmers, many types of job opportunities are generated. Many types of employment opportunities can be generated. Transportation facilities, so drivers get job opportunities when chilling centers or the storage facilities are provided by the government. There also people can be employed. Okay, so large number of employment opportunities can be generated only by providing loans to the small farmers. Okay, from there many opportunities can be generated. So these activities all can provide the productive employment to not just farmers but also other people are related with the agriculture, and so that here many more opportunities. So Lakshmi need not to be confined water alone. She needs to cultivate the land. She also needs seeds. Okay, when loan is provided, she will buy better seeds and fertilizers will be there needed. Agricultural equipments like pump sets, etc. are needed. So when these are loan provided to Lakshmi, we can find many people she has to meet and collect the all the agricultural help from other people also. So these all people are getting the employment opportunities. Also she will have to borrow money from money lenders if the government is not providing loan. The high rate of interest she has to pay these all. So the entire output of Lakshmi will be wasted for paying the high rate of interest, so that government can save the people from exploiting by the other money lenders or the large traders. So we will study in the coming class more about how more employment opportunities can be provided by the government.